This is activity 3.1, and then we're going to be investigating a database diagram, and this is from the Microsoft SQL Server 2005 Implementation and Maintenance book. So the first step in the activity is to expand the databases, and then we want to go to the AdventureWorks database, which is the sample database. And while it's loading that from the server, so we'll expand the AdventureWorks database. And then we want to right click on the database diagrams and select new database diagram. And then the wizard should pop up. Okay, this is the list of tables within our database. So we can select one, or activity wants us to highlight the first one and select all, and then we're going to add all of those. So once it has added those, I'm going to close this. Okay, so we can close out of that. And in order to see all the tables, we need to change our view to 10%. So let me do that. Okay, so now here is a diagram of all of our tables in our database. So the next thing in the activity is to just demonstrate how to move these tables around. So we can grab them and hold the mouse down and move them however we would like to organize them. So we'll just kind of move a few of them around here. And we can keep doing this with all of our tables, and it just kind of shows us how they're linked together. So we can move them around as like. And then the next thing we want to do is go to a table, and I'm going to right click it and go up to table view. And these are the various options that we have to display the table. We can standard, column names, keys, name only, custom. So we can go ahead and select standard. And we can see a standard view of the table here. So I'm just going to change the view here. Okay, so we can see the table. So this is the standard view of our table here. Okay, so now the activity wants us to right click in the empty space. Now note that the menu has changed. I'll give some options to add a new table, and that is all for the activity. We're just we were exploring database diagrams inside of our sample database called AdventureWorks, and this is for the SQL Server 2005 Implementation and Maintenance.